Guys, today is the great day. Over here in the front you can see is a PI7 image tool. It's a image compression tool which if you upload your image, okay, so maybe you're from India and you want to upload your image in some government website, but you want to set the specific size. Maybe right now my situation is to only upload size of images under 200 kb, so you can see all the images is compressed under 198 kb, and I would like to show you the image size of my prior image size is like if I select any of those like 3.16 MB, and you can see vice versa. So I captured all the images through my mobile called Realme X2 Pro, so it's a high definition images, and now I can able to reduce the size of my images under 200 kb. So as you can see, so now these are the images are very compatible to this to the website called Sahara Refund. So if you are looking for the Sahara, and if you want to upload all the bonds to Sahara websites, if you're looking for the refund, so this tool is for you. It's called image.pi7.org. I will also try to give the link in the description below. And how did I find it? Let me show you. Now I did find it the use with the help of the new tool. The new search generative is like AI, is a Google AI platform. I mean Google AI in the experimental right now is it's already launched in India, and I just searched for best image resizer for and under 200 kb. So the context here is the 200 kb, and now AI, Google search generated AI, understanding my context and give me the list of all the tools. Now the first I saw the PI7 image compression. This tool can compress JPG images to under 200 kb or less while maintaining quality. So this is the term that I really liked, is called maintaining quality. So I really then what I did, I just selected through my mouse and search in new tab, and this is the tool, and you can already see I uploaded bulk. You can directly upload bulk images. You can upload more than one images, and you can directly convert all the images into under 200 kb, so there will be no problem while uploading to the central Bharat Sarkar Sahara Refund Portal. So there will be no problem. So I hope you guys I answered your query. And how did you find it? It's a called image PI7. You all have to do to go to new tab and search for image PI7. All you have to do is search for this tool, and you'll see the first result is PI7 image tool compression and convert image. Just go ahead, and you might be looking this tool on your PC, so you also see some ads, and it's a free tool, and you see all the options is there depending on your image text image format. So just go for JPG to text, or maybe resize image in CM, or just follow this link called download compress image. So just go for increase resize image, download compress image to under 1 MB, 200, 300, compress JPG to 200 kb. Just select this option and select all of your images, so you can bulk upload from selecting all of your pictures from your PC, and you can see, and you can maintain, you can manually input the size. So you can also input 50, or this is kb, if you're whatever you're inputting here is in the kb. So 200, I would never recommend to go for the 200 kb, because for maybe the government website wouldn't accept for 200. At least type 199 kb, so it is under 200 kb. Okay, now you can see everything is actually in you can see the size of 3 MB. When I click on compress, you can see uploading images, and the internet is really fast, as I'm using the Wi-Fi, Geo Wi-Fi, and now you can see it's all the images is converted into 198 kb, 196 kb, 195 kb, 177. So this is the answer of your question, guys. If you're looking for the tool which can upload bulk images, and you also can reduce the size of any images into the kb or even lower, then this is the best website that I ever found throughout the searching on Google using the generative AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.